In this video, we'll see how we can add date picker or any another extra field option in single product. Like if I click on add to cart, it will show some error because we need to select the date. This is the required field, or you can optional field you can set according to your need. So we'll see how we can add date picker in a single product page. So let's go. So we will install a plugin through which we will add date and time slot pick option in single product page. So install, and we need to install and set up it. So and it will be totally free. So the plugin name is product add-ons and field for WooCommerce. So we will install it and set up it. Here you can see install it, product add-ons and field. In this add-ons you will get time slot and date slot pickup option. You can see here in WooCommerce PPO field. Just click on it. Here we will add. Here what we will do, we will add new group. Click on it and we will add group name. I will add date picker. Select display do not for price table for only option here. Control price table display. If you want to control the price table, you can control it. If you want to apply it for a specific category, you can write the slug name of category. Each slug per name, that's like your categories, accessories. Here then other is dress, so you need to write like this. Now we will add field. Important part is here. I will select date input. Here you can see I will name it date picker. If you want to add placeholder description, you can show it. You can set the width. If you want to give custom class name, you can set it. Date format you can set. Here you can also give minimum date or maximum date up to which anyone can select. Year range here you can select. Yep. Then first week of day will be Sunday, Monday. You can set according to your need. Visible to everyone, only guest, or you can set here only login user can wait. Anything you can set here. Required. This is a required field. You can required condition. If you want to show some condition, you can add condition here. So just add field. Here you can see date picker. If you want to add some more field, let's go to website, front page, view any product. Here you can attach to products. Now after creating, what do you need to do? Either you can select category or you can attach here to products. So that's why it is not showing here. I will add to this product, save, or you can select by category, or you can select it for specific product also. Here you can see date picker. On this date, product price this, add to cart. Now if I order it, I can see the date picked on my orders page also for as an admin. Here you can see date picker. What is the value, like on which date profit to checkout. Place order. Now as an admin I can see it my orders. Okay, here you can see, go on it. Now when I scroll down, here you can see date because the value of date is here. So that's why you can add the date picker option in single product page for totally free. You can select category wise. Here you can add category, or you can select product wise by attaching products here. add to product, and here you can see add product. Okay, so that's how you can add date picker product wise in your WooCommerce website for free. Here in product you can also set your, here in product you can say in single product you can also get PPMO field, and you can also select the field you want to show on specific product.